Right, ladies and gents, today we're gonna be having our first video on this channel, which is I'm full. So hope you're gonna be enjoying this content, and if you're gonna be enjoying this video, please like, subscribe, and follow for more videos. So we are in Şanlıurfa, which is a city in the southeast of the Turkey. So as you can see, evet, Balıklıgöl. So we're gonna be finding good places for eating ciğer kebab. So without waiting you, just I'm leaving with the view, and then let's gonna hit up and find a place to fill our stomach. So let's go. The word ciğer comes from a Persian ciğer. Basically is liver. Through the full word for the liver is the word kebab can be traced back to the Akkadian word kebabu, referring for frying or burning. People prefer to eat liver kebab for the breakfast for more than 200 years. This is one of the strangest traditions that I ever heard about in our cuisine, in other cities as well. If you visit Urfa city, I recommend you to stop by Paflar Ciğer. You will find the taste and authentic atmosphere as you can see background at this restaurant, and I believe you will like it a lot. This city has also special and cultural gathering nights. It's called Sıra Geceleri, which you may want to see. The origins. The Turks were a nomadic people, and to some degree they are still to this day. Naturally, the flock of animals they were keeping were almost literally their bread and butter. While maybe nowadays the consumption of beef and chicken are more normal in Turkey, in the part of Turkish people mostly consume sheep and goats, as they were the most suitable animal for the nomadic lifestyle. Aside from the meat that was either consumed directly or cooked in their own fat to be consumed in winter called kavurma, all the other parts of the animal were eaten as well. So mentioning each type, liver shish kebab is the only kebab variety that people prefer to eat in the early mornings as breakfast in Adana, Diyarbakır, and Şanlıurfa. Yes, you heard correctly, they are eating as a breakfast. Welcome again. So we have come to the bazaar in Urfa. So as you can see, there are lots of places that are selling kind of stuff. So we have found a place where we can fill our stomach. So let's go and jump. So come with me. Abi selamun aleyküm. Yo, welcome back. So I came and find, how can I say, liver kebab. So I'm gonna eat and taste it. Actually, I'm originally from Şanlıurfa, so I already know the taste of this, but you have to come and consider, so should you eat this? And yeah, you need to come. Yeah, it's really nice. Yeah. So most of people come here and it's in different way. So the first way, let me show you. Some kind of people come and eat such that they are taking piece of how can I say, bread and taking this, and it's not common in Urfa. So for example, come here. When you come in from outside, so you need to enjoy such kind of way. So, but in Urfa, we actually do this. So let me show you. You're taking the pepper and divide it into two. So let me throw away all the other stuff. So put it into your dürüm. We say dürüm. So it's kind of wrap. So taking the, let me take the onion and put into this. And you can see it's really nice, and I like mint, and you can put as a giving taste of spicy. So it's nice. So let me show you. As a last, you put some salt. Yeah, you can see, but no more. You can be having of espresso. And as a last, a pinch of, actually not pinch of, a little bit lemon. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, enough, well enough. So as a last, so you taking your wrap and yes, that's the way we got used to. And this is the last last look of the wrap. So it's gonna be the first bite for you. Yeah, for you. Yeah, for you. Yeah. Man, let me find.
Tamam gülüm. İyi mi anneciğim?
Bak.
Yeah.